Sir, yung tanong na kung enough na ba yung sinole ni na state witness sa Bernardo and Alcantara, is it, kayo ba ang pwede
only my own
mag-get?
opinion based on my dealings with Yusek Bernardo
Mhm.
and based on what I know do sa extent ng kanilang participation, I don't think enough. Kasi lumabas na naman na si Yusek Bernardo, di ba, nag-commit siya ng 1 billion ba?
Mhm.
And
1
si
billion.
Henry Alcantara, I think 200, 300 million. I don't think those, yung restitution na yon enough.
Mhm.
As far as I know, no, na naging participation nila do sa flood control anomaly.
Who will determine ba, sir, kung enough na yun?
Ano yon?
Yung korte?
I think that's covered by a MOA between the state witness willing to restitute and the DOJ, yung kanilang witness protection program. So sila yung nag-aral doon. Pero sabi ko nga, kung ako yung masusunod, it's way below what should have been restituted or offered to be restituted. As reported, kasi alam naman natin yung kung magkano yung pinangako nilang i-restitute. Ano? Yung 1 billion kay Bernardo, maliit yun. Yung 200 o 300 kay Alcantara, maliit yun.
And should the DOJ set a deadline for them to
Well,
return the money?
Alam mo, mahirap namang pangunahan natin kasi sila yung nag-negotiate. DOJ did their own due diligence.
Mhm.
Baka yun ang findings nila. Sa akin, sarili ko lang yon. Based on my, dealings with Bernardo and Alcantara. Particularly Yusek Bernardo. Basta sa akin lang, in my own judgment, I may be wrong, I may be correct. Sa tingin ko, maliit.